Did you know that on a Mac, you can split the screen into two like this? You can also take screenshots of only a specific area. I've summarized into 11 Mac tricks you must know. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's go. Number 1. Select, copy, paste, cut, undo, and redo. To select text, don't drag the mouse by clicking and pulling downward. Simply place the cursor at the starting point, press Shift, then click on the last text you want to select. If you want to select all text on a page, use Command and A. To copy, use Command and C. To paste, use Command and V. If you want to cut, use Command and X. Then paste. To undo the last action, use Command and Z. To redo an action you just undid, use Command, Shift, and Z. Number 2. Force quit an app. If your Mac freezes and you can close an app, use Command, Shift, Option, and Escape. This shortcut is similar to Ctrl, Alt, and Del on Windows. Number 3. Switch between apps. To switch from one app to another without using the mouse, use Command and Tab. Hold Command, then press Tab repeatedly to move between apps. Number 4. Enter or exit full screen mode. Use Command, Ctrl, and F to enter or exit full screen mode. Number 5. Open Spotlight Search. Use Command and Space to open Spotlight Search. It appears instantly no matter which app you are currently using. Besides searching for files, you can also use it to type math equations directly. Number 6. Close Windows and quit apps. Have too many apps open? Use Command and W to close the active window. Use Command to Q to completely quit the app. Number 7. Hide an app. Press Command and H to quickly hide all windows of the currently app without closing it. Just click the app's icon in the dock to bring it back. Number 8. Preview files. Select a file, image, PDF, or document in Finder, then press spacebar to preview it instantly without opening an app. Number 9. Quick Lock Screen. Press Ctrl, Command, and Q to instantly lock your Mac screen for security. Number 10. Take screenshot. For a full screen screenshot, use Shift, Command, and 3. Let's check the result. To capture a specific area, use Shift, Command, and 4. Let's check the result. Number 11. Split screen into two. To split your screen, open the apps you want to use side by side. Make sure the app is not in full screen mode. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button, click and hold. When a blue outline appears, release it. Then click another app to fill the other half of the screen. Done. Now you can easily copy text from one window to another. Just drag it like this. Easy, right? Hope this tutorial helps. Subscribe for more tutorials.